could see me, really see me the way I see all of you. Look at all your faces, children, husband, wife. God, you're all so beautiful. I envy you, your lives, going to work, building your schools, throwing a football or swimming in pools, out in the sun, living by rules. I could learn how if you teach me the tools. I know I'm strange, so help me change, please. Let me walk among, let me show my face. I could learn to live with you, I could earn my place. I will move a mountain, your wish is my command, and someday you may want to shake my hand. Oh, I will paint your houses, I'll milk your cows at dawn, I will do your laundry, and I will mow your lawn. Let me file your taxes, I am a CPA, and someday you may want to shake my hand. I will grow a champion rope, or teach a yoga class. I myself design these clothes, I can do my part. Must I die then with my nose still pressed against the glass? But if you'd shake my hand, yes, that's a start. Yes, that's a start. Look in your heart. Oh, let me join your carpools. No, let me drive the car. Down to the game, or join you at the bar. Come and watch a ball game. I'll bake a pecan pie, and I will shake your hand when you drop by. Oh, bring me to your churches and let me look inside. Bring me to your weddings and let me kiss the bride. Thank you all for coming. That's all I have to say. But please, will someone take my hand? Won't just one person take